buzzing. Everything smells of marigold and mithai.
From designer kurtas to handmade gifts, everything screams.
There is nothing that's not available here. You name it, they've got it. Look at these cute little teddies. They're so cute with their bubbles up.
Oh, they have mixed berry and all.
You'll make these into ice creams? Okay. So you choose the flavor and you just add it inside.
Bandra's got room for all kinds of sweets. This is a beautiful piece, yeah?
Yeah, I like this one.
I really like this one.
See these evening bags? Very classy.
See, this is so light for you.
Oh, it's a double one. It's looking very nice, but you definitely need a size bigger. See these, I like these ones. It's very nice for workwear also. Very nice and light to wear for work. See this one. I love this.
डिस्काउंट आएगा ना दिसंबर में? नवंबर में कब?
Black Friday. It's buy one get one free.
आप लोग बाहर कुछ बोर्ड लगाओगे? हाँ, so not bad, yeah.
And only one day. वो last Friday होगा.
See, I told you
This is
about
the
this
shop?
London rag.
This is London, right?
Yeah. I bought one white bag.
I'm gonna buy heels. I can't manage in chappals. And these colors are so cute. These small ones.
Also, but only there was no glitter on it. See, they're all winter wear. Oh, this is so cute.
That small bag, no?
This is so
Europe
pretty.
now. This is the latest
So
thing.
pretty.
Small.
Bandra isn't just a neighborhood. It's a go-to place for Mumbai's creative crowd.
Every lane has the story of a star. From coffee shop catch-ups to script readings, Bandra is where the magic begins.
From film stars to musicians and influencers, Bandra is where art and life meet. A melting pot of passion, creativity and calm.
And that's what makes it special. Everyone here is just normal. Celebs become locals and locals part of their story.
And that's the Bandra vibe. Friendly, free-spirited and forever camera ready. that walking, it's time to relax. And what better place than Eddie's?
The food, the mood, the people, everything screams Bandra here.
With every bite, every laugh, every song, Eddie's brings people together.
Capturing the essence of Bandra's easygoing charm with ease and perfection. How did you hear about Eddie's?
My friend told me to come here. She's standing right behind.
All right.
Doesn't want to be photographed. So how does it feel? Do you think she gave you all a good opinion or choice?
Good vibe, it's a good place. The environment's really nice place.
Can we ask her some fun questions? Are you guys dating?
Yes,
Yes. So recently, or it's been a long?
just a month.
Just a month. So
And
how
who
did you
proposed?
Exactly. Just
Okay.
happened.
We met on Hinge.
Okay.
It was an instant connection. So
Wow. Okay. What's the most romantic thing you all have done for one another?
Currently, it was my birthday just last week, and she happened to gift me something she's never done in fact for anyone.
Okay.
I was taken by surprise. She's put in a lot of effort. Actually.
Do you think you'll be able to reciprocate in the same way when it's her birthday?
Definitely. I've already started planning for that. In fact.
more of a romantic than me. So
Oh, wow.
Day one. Since day one, he's been surprising me with gifts,
Okay.
which has been something new for me.
Okay. So, what's the most? What do you believe in? Emotional connection or physical attraction? Emotional connection. Okay. I'm still old school.
Yes, we are very.
I'm very much
Do
old
you
school.
think meeting on these apps develops into a long-term relationship, or you think most of them are just like for a little time pass and they fade out?
Well, it actually depends, I would say, how one perceives it. But I think, most of the time it does develop into something really good and long term, for sure.
I've had 3-4 of my friends who have got married with the app.
Oh wow.
Like,
So it's got quite a lot of success rate, you would say, for the
I
app.
told last try, let's just try it out if this works out.
So what's
last
your
time lucky.
Last time, lucky, we had done
Jackpot.
We did the app together, so
So that's some connection, don't you think so?
it feels a long time, but it's amazing.
So what's your take on women not wanting to have children these days?
I think after a certain age, you shouldn't be thinking about it because it's quite a lot of responsibility in today's age and time. But it's a personal choice,
And what's your take on live-in relationships versus marriage?
not left to
Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you all. Thank you. For time has no holiday and dreams have no expiry date.
And every Bandra night reminds us that joy shared is joy doubled.
Moreover, Bandra adds light to your ears with its pulsating energy, non-stop action and never give up attitude. Until next time, keep smiling, keep celebrating life Bandra style.